AI is transforming media and entertainment, reshaping how we create and consume content. From studios to streaming platforms, AI is now a key player, driving innovation and efficiency across the industry. This video is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner and well-architect partner. We have certification distinction. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. We are partners with Azure, Google Cloud, Databricks, Snowflake, Salesforce.com, Trend Micro, and Prevail. We specialize in data and analytics, AI and ML, Gen AI, web, and app development. Our AI offering is AI for You. Check out a4u.cloud. We provide wide range of natural language processing, or NLP services, infused with Gen A1 for language and document to offer multimodal capabilities. We have Concept to Code, offering to translate ideas to products fast. See concepttocode.ai. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Generative AI is revolutionizing content creation, offering new tools for writers and creators. It's not about replacing creativity, but enhancing it, providing fresh perspectives and overcoming creative blocks. AI tools are crafting narratives and scripts at unprecedented speeds. Major studios leverage these technologies to explore creative directions and streamline production processes. Studios use AI to enhance creativity, not replace it. By offering thousands of variations on themes, AI helps writers break through barriers and explore new storytelling approaches. AI has drastically reduced rendering times for visual effects, making high-quality CGI accessible to smaller studios. This democratization of technology is reshaping visual storytelling. With AI, creating digital doubles and crowd scenes is now faster and more affordable. Smaller production houses can now compete with industry giants thanks to these advancements. AI automates video editing, syncing audio, and color-correcting footage in real time. This acceleration allows for quicker content delivery, crucial for streaming platforms. Voice cloning technology maintains character consistency across media. AI-driven voice synthesis offers seamless dubbing and localization, enhancing global reach. AI-driven recommendations are enhancing user engagement on streaming platforms. By analyzing viewing patterns, AI delivers personalized content that resonates with individual preferences. Streaming platforms use AI for dynamic content delivery, adjusting video quality and interface layouts based on user behavior and technical constraints. AI creates personalized narratives in gaming, allowing player choices to influence story outcomes in real time. This dynamic storytelling enhances player engagement and immersion. Procedural generation powered by AI creates expansive game worlds. AI-driven NPCs offer realistic interactions, making game environments more lifelike and engaging. AI optimizes game development with procedural generation and intelligent NPC behavior. These advancements reduce development time and costs while enhancing gameplay experiences. AI-driven asset creation and texture generation streamline production pipelines. Artists can now focus on creativity while AI handles repetitive tasks, accelerating timelines. AI optimizes advertising and monetization strategies, delivering targeted campaigns with higher conversion rates. Streaming platforms leverage AI for real-time ad placements. Predictive analytics guide content investment decisions, reducing risks and maximizing returns. AI analyzes trends and audience preferences to forecast content success. Join the AI revolution today. Dive into the technology that's reshaping industries and discover how it can enhance your creative vision and business growth.